guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today we are going to be making a cute wreath and everything is from Dollar General. I found this adorable little truck in the fall aisle of Dollar General and it was $6 and it just says door decor and it's made of a thick felt and it's padded and it's not too heavy, but it says it's indoor or outdoor use. And I also picked up some 10-inch deco mesh at Dollar General and it was $5. And I picked up some 2.5-inch ribbon with wire and it was $2 at Dollar General. So everything is from Dollar General. And you'll need something sharp to cut a little slit in your top right edge or left, whatever you choose, of your truck. And so I put mine on the right and I am just tying a simple bow. Now you do not want to let out a tail for this one. So just make a loop, keeping it tight in your left hand, and make another loop the same size. And you'll want some floral stem wire close by. You do not have to make your deco mesh bow as big as I made mine. I tend to make big bows because I just like big bows on my wreaths. So it's up to you how big you go, but just keep it pinched tightly in the center and wrap your floral stem wire around it. Make sure you get it pinched tight. Do not cut off your wires. And then this is the 2.5-inch ribbon with wire from Dollar General. And they've already started getting Christmas things out too. So just try to make the loops the same size on each side and go back and forth, and make, I just went double bow, but you can make it as big as you want or as small as you want. And we had a little bit of technical difficulty, so I had to film this one a couple times, is why mine's already cut. And you'll want another piece of floral stem wire close by and just wrap it around the center of your bow. Okay, and I took my burlap bow and I just placed it over the top of the deco mesh bow, and I took the wire from the burlap bow and wrapped it around the deco mesh, went to the back and gave it a few twists, and then cut off the wires and folded them down. So I will be using the wire from my deco mesh bow to thread it through my little truck door, whatever you call it, door decor. So here I'm just taking the floral stem wire, threading it through, and I didn't have a very big slit, so you don't want to make it very big and you don't want to make it too close to the edge, but just make a tiny little slit so that you can thread your wire through and then go to the back and give it a few twists. Cut off the extra wire and just fold it down, and here it is hanging on my door. Like I said, everything is from Dollar General and it only cost me $13 to make this wreath, and it is so simple and cute. It's going to hang on my door. I may just put it out there this afternoon. I know it's a little bit early, but I'm ready to decorate for fall. So I hope you like this video, guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. And I couldn't get it to hang straight, so I added a little bit of tape to the ribbon to hold it straight up and down, but you could stitch it if you wanted to. Thank you for watching. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend, and I will see you soon.